We do want to talk a little bit about this legal defense strategy. It's raising a lot of eyebrows right now. So a man is suing Walt Disney Parks and Resorts over the death of his wife. Disney's lawyers saw the user agreement he signed when he signed up for the Disney Plus trial. They say it prevents him from suing them. So back in October, Jeffrey Piccolo and his wife visited a restaurant at Disney Springs, which is part of Disney World in Florida. They asked their waiter several times if the food was allergen-free, but the food that she ate there still triggered an allergic reaction, and she died from it. A medical examiner confirmed the cause of death, so Piccolo brought a lawsuit. But Disney's lawyers say that when he signed up for a 1-month trial of Disney Plus, the fine print, which Piccolo acknowledges reading, said that, quote, any dispute must be resolved by individual binding arbitration. They're arguing the lawsuit must be dismissed and dispute will be settled out of the courtroom. Piccolo's lawyers say Disney's argument borders on the surreal. Fine print matters. There's a reason you have to sign.
They don't seem related, but
that's
right.
where I'm having the problem. Is like, what's the correlation?
Don't you think a lot of that stuff, though, like a lot of legal stuff isn't necessarily about who's right or who's wrong?
It's about who can prove
It's about
a
that
case.
stuff.
Right. Yep.
Yeah.
Which is why you have to read the fine print.
But and the fact that he said that he did is amazing because I think there's a joke about this, right? Do you ever read, like?
But typically when you sign something, you're acknowledging
No,
that you've read the
I
fine
know, but
print.
like-
But you're saying like when you
It's-
sign up for things, do you
Do
actually
you read
read
it?
it through?
I feel like you might.
Sometimes, depending on what it is.
No, that's not a bad thing.
Like
Right.
reading
The
on
rest
the
of us are
weekend.
just-
yeah, 87 pages of fine print.
There almost should be a limit to how long those can be.
Yes, I
like
agree.
every time there's a terms and agreement, it should be like a page and a half max or something, because nobody's.
I don't
gonna
want all the
overlap.
legalese.
Burying it in there. That's like the contract that said you guys got to work with me. You missed that.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
well
way
aware.
down. Way down.
Well aware.
Way down on the bottom.
Pros and cons in every contract.
Yeah, right.